SDS has been a leader and innovator since its introduction of the world's first fully automatic rule bender in 1997. The Easybender series has been the #1 selling benders and has become a standard in the die-making industry. With servo-driven cutting unit, different height rules can be run throughout one tool module set by changing the shims located under the tool modules. Sophisticated jobs with many different sizes of nicks on a die board can be accomplished without replacing the nicking blades in the middle of jobs. Software-controlled nicking width and depth allows for multiple nick widths during the same job. Broaching unit used for sharper bends and miterless joints comes with V and flat shape, both front and back of rule. With its digitally controlled depths, die makers are able to make better dies in less time. Custom perforation comes with 3 different sizes in a standard tool module. Eliminate the costly need to purchase in-stock boxes of pre-made perf rules. Using a graphical simulation, operators can identify challenging segments and make adjustments before processing pieces. Auto-detection of same shapes throughout a CAD file to eliminate the need of counting the total number of the same pieces. NS2 can handle up to 4-point thickness of cutting and creasing rule. Center, side, and serrated rules up to 51 millimeters can be processed. NS2 produces consistent pieces while saving valuable time and reducing cost. NS2 is suitable for folding carton, corrugated carton, and wide range of applications such as gaskets, blister pack, and labels. Trusted for over 30 years by thousands of die makers worldwide.